Hello everyone, welcome back to Piece of Physics. In this particular video, we are going to solve few problems based on the relative motion in one dimension, right? So our first problem is an object A is moving with 5 meter per second and B is moving with 20 meter per second in the same direction, right? And which is positive x-axis. So find the velocity of B with respect to A and find the velocity of A with respect to B. So we have VA, which is 5 I cap, VB, which is 20 I cap. Okay. So we have to find velocity of B with respect to A. So this will be VBA, VB minus VA. Okay. So this will be 20 minus 5. So this is again 15 I cap meter per second. And second one is VAB. So it will be VA minus VB. So this will be 5 minus 20. So this will be minus 15 I cap meter per second. So always remember one thing, that VAB will be negative of VBA always. Okay, because the direction will be inverted, right? Our next problem is from the HC Verma. A police jeep is chasing a culprit going on a motorbike. The motorbike crosses a turning at a speed of 72 km per hour, which happens to be 72 to 5 upon 18. So you can write it as 18 fours are 72, 4 fives are 20 meter per second. And this is 90 km per hour. So this will be 90 into 5 upon 18, right? So this 18 fives are 90, 5 fives are 25 meter per second. Okay. Now crossing the turning at 10 seconds later than the bike, assuming that they travel at constant speeds. How far from the turning will the jeep catch up with the bike? Okay. So consider turn like this. Okay. We have car here. This is motorbike. This is jeep. This bike. Okay. It has speed of 20 meter per second. It has speed of 25 meter per second. Okay. And this distance. Okay. So now we are being asked that 10 seconds later than the bike. Okay. So we can see that bike will move from this to this point. Okay. So it has speed of 20 meter per second. So for 10 seconds, this particular distance will be 200 meter. Okay. Now the speed of jeep with respect to bike is 5 meter per second. Okay. You can see that 25 minus 20, this will be 5 meter per second. And now the jeep is traveling with the 5 meter per second with respect to the bike, and the distance between them is 200 meter. The time for that catching the bike will be 200 meter divided by 5 meter per second. So this will be 40 seconds. So after the turning, the jeep will catch up with the bike after 40 seconds, right? Our next problem is two parallel rail tracks run north-south. Train A moves north with a speed of 54 km per hour and train B moves south with a speed of 90 km per hour. What is the velocity of B with respect to A? Velocity of our first part is basically, so I can write it as this north, this south, east, this west. We have two tracks like this. Okay, so consider this is the train A, which is moving in this particular direction, and train B is moving in this particular direction. Okay, so velocity of A is basically 54 km per hour. Okay, so this is 54 into 5 upon 18. 18 3s are 54, 3 5s are 15. So this is 15 j cap. Okay, and second one is VB. So VB is basically 90 into 5 upon 18. 18 5s are 90, 5 5s are 25 minus j cap. So velocity of B with respect to A, this is our first part, VB minus VA is basically minus 25 j cap minus 15 j cap. This will be 40 j cap meter per second. Second one is velocity of ground with respect to B. So this is VG minus VB. Okay. Ground is basically stationary. So this will be 0 minus 25 j cap. So this will be 25 j cap meter per second. Velocity of a monkey running on the roof of the train A against its motion. Okay. So basically our C part is velocity of monkey, which is moving against its motion. It means it will be traveling in the south direction. Okay, so its speed is 18 kilometer per hour with respect to train A. So VMA is basically 18 kilometer per hour. It is minus 18 into 5 by 18 j cap. So this will be minus 5 j cap. The negative sign shows that it is moving against the train's motion. Okay, so what will be the monkey speed with respect to ground? Okay, so here we are given minus 5 j cap. So we have to find VMG. This is basically VM minus VG. Okay, so I can write it as plus VA minus VA. So this will be VM minus VA plus this VA minus VG, velocity of A with respect to ground. So what will be VM minus VA? So monkey's speed with respect to train is minus 5 j cap plus VA minus VG is 15 j cap. So this will be 10 j cap. Okay. So 10 j cap meter per second. So monkey is basically traveling in the positive y direction or in the north direction with respect to ground. Okay, so this is the answer of the third part. So let us move to the next problem. Our next problem is a police van moving on a highway with a speed of 30 km per hour fires a bullet at a thief's car speeding away in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour. The muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second. With what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car? Not obtain that speed which is relevant for damaging the thief's car. Now let us make one car here. Okay, we are given one gun here. We are given cycle like this. Okay, so the this particular van is moving with the 30 and consider this direction as I cap. This is 30 I cap kilometer per hour. Speed will be in kilometer per hour. Okay, and this particular gun and this particular bike is moving with the 192 I cap kilometer per hour. Okay, so here we are being told if the muzzle speed of the bullet is 150 meter per second. Okay, so let us convert it into the kilometer per hour so our calculation will be easier. So velocity of bullet with respect to ground is 150 meter per second. So multiply it with 18 upon 5, right? So 5 into 30 is 150. 30 into 18 will be 540 I cap. Okay, so 540 kilometer per hour. Okay, so now we have different parameters and the bullet which will be removed from here has speed of 540 I cap. Okay, now with what speed the bullet will hit this particular bike? Okay, so here you can see that with respect to ground the speed of the bullet is 540, but it is on the van, so it will be have a speed of bullet with respect to van, it will be 570 I cap, and this is 192 I cap. Okay, so velocity of bullet with respect to the bike, okay, or thief, it will be VBT. Okay, I can write it as 570 minus 192, this will be 378 I cap kilometer per hour. Okay, so with 378 I cap kilometer per hour speed, the bullet will hit the thief. Okay, so that's all for this particular video, and stay connected to the channel for further videos. Thank you so much.